Elon Musk, the billionaire genius behind Tesla and SpaceX, is known for his futuristic ideas. But this time he has shocked the world with something completely different, a tiny house that costs only $17,890. The man who can afford the most luxurious mansions has chosen to live in a home that is smaller than most apartments. And now, this tiny house is finally available for the public. People are curious, why would the richest man in the world choose such a small home? What's so special about it? And most importantly, what's inside? Well, today we are going to take you on a journey inside Elon Musk's tiny house and reveal all its secrets. Musk's tiny house is made by a company called Boxabl, which specializes in building affordable, foldable homes. The concept is simple but revolutionary. The entire house arrives in a compact, folded form and can be set up within just one day. This means that instead of waiting months or years for a house to be built, you can have a fully functional home in just 24 hours. When you step inside, the first thing you notice is how well designed the space is. Even though it's tiny, it has everything a person needs to live comfortably. The house is 375 square feet, which is about the size of a studio apartment. But thanks to smart design, it doesn't feel cramped at all. The interior has a modern, minimalist style, every clean, simple, and futuristic, just like something you'd expect from Elon Musk. The house comes with a fully equipped kitchen, a living area, a comfortable bedroom, and even a bathroom with a shower. Everything is designed to use space efficiently. The kitchen has a stove, sink, refrigerator, and plenty of storage. The living area is small but cozy, perfect for relaxing after a long day. The bedroom fits a comfortable bed, and there's even a foldable table for work or dining. One of the best things about this house is its energy efficiency. Musk is a big believer in clean energy, so it's no surprise that this home is designed to be completely sustainable. The roof can be fitted with solar panels, meaning the house can generate its own electricity. Combine that with Tesla's Powerwall battery system, and you have a home that can run completely off the grid. No need to rely on the government for power. This house can power itself. Musk first moved into this tiny house in 2021, saying he wanted to live a simpler life. Despite being a billionaire, he chose to sell most of his mansions and live in this small home near SpaceX's facility in Texas. His decision inspired many people to rethink their own lifestyles. If the world's richest man can live comfortably in a small house, then maybe bigger isn't always better. But why is this house finally hitting the market now? Well, Boxabl has been working on making these homes available for the public. The idea is to create affordable, high-quality homes that anyone can buy. At just $17,890, this home costs less than most new cars. It's perfect for people who want a low-cost, modern, and energy-efficient home. Whether you want to live in a city, the countryside, or even off the grid, this house is a game changer.